take a look anywhere around the world in our automotive industry, and I believe you'll find there are very few shop owners that have gone into business without the sole purpose of generating revenue. And even having a sound business plan in place and implemented still leaves limitations to the amount of revenue we can earn as shop owners. Things like the location of the facility, the size of the shop, and how many clients are in your area are just a few of the limitations that can prevent you from reaching your maximum earning potential. Want to know another option that might allow you to expand your business and be more lucrative? Stick with me on this episode of The Trainer. There are countless very successful shops out there here in the United States of America and all across the world who've reached their potential for maximum growth where they're currently located, doing business as they do. And of course, some more traditional solutions to expansion include adding to the shop that currently exists by building on, or even purchasing a bigger, different location. And that in itself adds to some challenges, along with the headaches that go along with it. Adding more staff and additional work bays and lifts to your current location is another option that we have, or even adding a second or third location to what you currently have in play is another way of duplicating yourself and bringing in more revenue, repeating the same process over and over again in separate locations. Some other more traditional ways of expanding your business is simply implementing new tools and techniques that apply to a wider range of vehicles that you choose to service. A wider range of years, makes, and models and types of vehicles can certainly add to the amount of revenue you and your shop can generate. Consider different services like adding conveniences like a quick lube rack, an in-house rescue towing facility. How about the creature comforts and necessary add-ons to safety like ADAS, on-site calibration capability? Other conveniences like a detail shop and or body and paint facility, along with a convenient car wash, can help generate new revenue for the shop. However, many shops and shop owners have a potential for growth that they may not yet realize, and that comes from within. Considering putting some of the technicians you have in-house on the road can offer solutions to generating income for the shop. Mobile solutions like programming and configuration can allow your shop to bring services previously rendered from dealership visits by other locations around town who don't currently have that capability. Equipping you and your shop with the tools necessary to carry out these programming and configurations of onboard computer systems can take your business in a whole new direction. Conveniences that apply to vehicles across the entire industry include key cutting and locksmith capabilities. Being able to equip oneself with the means to cut and program keys on the spot can offer a tremendous benefit to you and your shop. Being able to provide these services to other shops around town who, again, don't possess the means necessary to carry out these functions themselves. And this may be hard to swallow, but even in this day and age, many shops still don't have the capability of servicing modern day air conditioning systems, which implement R1234YF. Equipping a mobile van or two with a 1234YF machine, driving around town, simply providing recovery, evacuation, and recharge services for body shops and service facilities alike can be another tremendous way of generating revenue for you and your shop. And since 2018, production vehicles are required to have ADAS functions. Being able to carry out static and dynamic calibrations for shops around town could give you and your shop an edge. So for a moment, let's talk about how all this can become possible for you and your shop. Duplicating what you already do at your shop, in other words, getting one of your staff members or perhaps yourself on the road, is step number one. Take an experienced, successful technician with some tenure and a wide range of capabilities and equip him or her to carry those capabilities on the road. Many times this is a lead technician, a team leader, or even the shop owner, his or herself. Take the time to do the research and find out what tools are widely used in your shop and what other shops around town require. Equip yourself with those tools, and you're sure to receive a return on investment quicker than you might think. Consider strategies like taking earned revenue for these new tools and reinvesting them in your mobile business. Equipping yourself with more and more tools to perhaps cover more exotic vehicles out there that many shops pay a premium and wait in a long line to get it to the dealership to have their solutions provided. If you're seriously considering getting on the road and going mobile, take the time to invest in your technicians and bring them up to speed on the latest and greatest tools, testing techniques, and technologies out there. Investing in your technicians will allow them to grow, gain confidence, and give them a reason to come back to work every day other than earning a paycheck. Already implementing a mobile solutions provider technique and strategy? No problem. Consider expanding and adding additional vans and service trucks on the road. Implementing business growth techniques like this can uncover other opportunities you might not realize are available. Leveraging the power of the internet, along with the tooling and the capability, as well as the knowledge your in-house technicians possess, could open up a world of opportunities regarding providing technical support for other shops around town. Whether this support is in regards to vehicle troubleshooting itself, or perhaps help for operating new tools that other shops possess, getting them up to speed on how to operate the tools and leverage them to their best advantage. And finally, consider being able to empower others to perform to their maximum potential as well. Consider hosting training events and inviting local shops from around town to join you in the festivities and education. Not only does it put forth a friendly, inviting face to other shops around town, it sets an example of true professionalism and your willingness to help others succeed like you are. After all, there's plenty of work to go around. So in summary, of course, going into business for yourself is no easy task and always presents itself with a list of challenges on a daily basis. But finding success is one thing. Being on the hunt for continual growth and increased revenue is another. And solutions do exist. So think outside the box. Get prepared, do the research, and execute a plan. Allow your business to prosper and grow and seek revenue in other areas not previously considered. So I hope I've exposed you to a couple of new ideas and empowered you to make a move that might help expand you and your business in generating more revenue, becoming more profitable. And thanks for joining us on this episode of The Trainer.